What's up, guys? Clean up the heads on Joey's 65 Mustang. Scraping up the old gasket, clean it up a little bit. And I believe the block is pretty much ready for the new head gaskets and the heads to be put back on. So hopefully today we'll get that all done. Get some stuff done on Joey's Mustang. Very nice. Quick little update here. Get these all cleaned up. And I'll show the aftermath. All right, guys. Got it all nice and clean, ready to go. Head part, intake part, and exhaust. Oops, that's my arm. There we go. All ready to go. Bobby set the new gasket on it. So in a few seconds here, I'm actually gonna put the head on and get the head bolts started. All right, there's you guys' quick update. Okay, well, got the hardware all cleaned up.
Yep, got liquid Teflon on the threads.
Start torquing them down.
Yep. Carefully. I'm gonna go first to 50, then I'm gonna go to 60, and the spec's 65 to 72, so I just do it to 70. And if you don't like doing it that way, that's cute. I really don't care, because that's how I do it. And, you know, if you don't like how I do it, I'm not doing your motor, so who cares? I'm just bitching at people that make stupid comments on our videos. Because I don't give a shit what they say.
What? Okay.
People suck.
All the time. Ooh, excuse me.
Lindsay's gassy. Come on. Hey, Burnsy.
Yep.
What are we doing tonight? What are we doing tonight?
Wrestling?
Yeah, we're going to AEW Collision. It's a TV taping. So on Saturday, if you're bored, you can watch yourself on TV.
Oh. Well, it's a good thing I won't be bored. I'll be slinging drinks.
Yeah.
So anybody who's up in Napa Valley for the Hispanic Festival, sorry, I forgot the name of it, this Saturday and Sunday, come find me.
Burnsy will hook you up. Like, oh, hey, Burnsy. Cerveza, por favor.
Right?
And he'll be like,
See.
taco burrito baño?
Bono.
Baño. No. Baño's the potty way.
I'm just curious how this venue is going to look at, for this one. Because Bottle Rock's huge. There's 2 big stages. There's like 3 or 4 small stages.
Remember when Stagecoach had more than 2 stages? When
Yeah.
Had like 3 or 4.
Now they changed that all up now.
Yeah. I remember seeing Morgan Wallen on the little tiny crappy stage in the sun.
Back in the day?
Back in the day, like where the Sahara tent would be for Coachella.
Mm-hmm.
When nobody knew who he was.
Look at him now.
I thought he sucked then. He kind of sucks now. The phone might be overheating if it...
No, someone's trying to call me.
Oh.
I'm just glad it didn't stop the tape.
That's unusual.
Yeah.
Usually it does. Alright, so round of 50 is almost done.
All right, well, there's that, folks. We're going to finish torquing these heads
So
down.
finish this up. You're going to clean up the other head.
Yep.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to put the timing set on.
Yay!
And then,
Hey,
styling.
look at us now. All right, guys.
Everything's done.
Later.
Later. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the motor. Or cleaning where the time machine goes, so you can put the time machine kit on it while I'm cleaning the other cylinder head.
Yeah. We can get that done, get that cleaned up, brake clean it off. Looking good. Keep it up, sir.
Yep.
Keep it up. I'm going to turn the parts washer back on.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I just knew why she couldn't hear.
All right, you can't hear.
Huh?
Right?
What you say?
Huh? Maybe if that chick's boobs weren't so big, she'd be able to hear.
She's just a
Yeah, women.
diva sometimes.
Now I know why Scotty likes dudes. Hey, you want to get married for tax benefits and then just be with chicks anyway?
No.
We don't want to be Chuck and Larry? Fine! Tyler said he would! Not really. Yeah, his wife would kill him. And that'd be a big downgrade for him.
Oh, seriously?
He'd be going from a solid, like, I don't know. I can't say because I'll get shot when I get home if I say. Anyway, la la la.